This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Mary Kay Robinson. This is the investment you have been waiting for in a dream location. 5 beautiful, fully renovated units, 6th unit just needs some finishing touches. Renovate the storefront for even more income. Huge laundry area can be monetized with coin-op machines and storage units. Use 2-car garage for yourself or rent that too. Tenants will love living right across from Griffintown Park. Walking distance to downtown Ferndale shops, restaurants and Vanderyacht, Pioneer and Hovander Homestead parks. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Kay Robinson at 360-303-1911.